your life is rosy.
Ibegela, kira, ibegela. So,
Nobantu niya scroll.
no.
Oh,
Serious. My eyes are red. Oh my god, why? Are my eyes red? They are. I can see them here.
really? Relax.
Time's gonna invade. Oh,
My eyes
wait.
are my eyes are red. My eyes are red.
I'm a cocktail.
Whoopee.
I'm in Pakistan.
Okay.
But ngenzini manje before umuntu
I went.
yeah, baba.
I went.
No, how do you
Mfam,
hello?
uyaphila?
Ngiyaphila. Kulu.
Wenze njani?
No, I see next company.
Sharp mfethu, yazi ngikemile lana but ngona lami to thingy. Yabo? Idinga lami to send a message ngoba azi ama permission la ku Instagram, yabo?
Okay, ngizoyi-check-a manje. Ngisendele enye futhi ngizoyi-check-a manje.
Ngibona lami ngicabanga mfethu ngazi kuthiwa invitation sent because I mentioned you nini izolo noma kuthangi lapho.
Yeah, I think it was the day before yesterday. But a Devon booking, ne? Devon,
Uzam?
ne? A
Yeah.
Devon. Okay, no problem. Ngizoyi-check-a manje. Iyenze
Alright.
futhi.
Okay, I'll mention you on now, ne?
Sure, sir.
We'll mention a man.
Okay.
Sure.
Ciao.
Sean Jayam.
Kapila pa
Ukraine.
sure. Uzanini la eThekwini.
Angizoza mhla umbizile.
Ngikubiza my brother mfethu content qhamukayo.
Ayiqhamuke mfethu.
Yeah, my brother sikhuluma ne?
Sharp Sean Jayam.
Ciao.
Jab jab.
Oh my God. Khuluma lo muntu engingayishemi angimazi.
Yeah?
Lo muntu engingayiwisa yonke into.
I went.
Sobuyile.
Yeah, ngibuyile.
Ubuya namhlanje?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Sokubona kusasa ke.
Okay. Sharp akunenkinga.
Ucabangani?
Khona umuntu ongihlolayo lapha yazi.
So wawucabanga?
Akavele kahle phela. Oh. Hi.
Hi.
It's Momondi. Yes, I say India.
Period. Period.
Okay, I know flop so ring again atungishiye mina. Ngifuna ukolala ngikhathele.
Alright, sharp. Sokubona kusasa. I'll take you on the side.
All right, sharp.
Sharp. I tried. She really is. Killing it.
Come back.
I think I was talking to Kuluba right now.
Do I look that young?
I thought it was your kid. No, it's
Bro,
not.
I'm literally like 57.
People are asking when are we dropping Kiligiti?
Next year. I will link forward for the Discord. As far as I don't know how to do that. Tell them we're dropping it next year.
Oh, alright.
Mm.
Now you know, guys. They're asking me to add you on the live. Why?
Yeah, we are dropping next year.
No, but also dropping
Igiligi.
something nice next week. Kuluba wants to come back.
Poison, why did you go off, boy? Just in here next year.
Drink
Yeah,
water.
because
Okay, please.
She must drink water.
it's nice, ne?
Let's see.
Mm.
Hello.
Hello.
But Tinuti Mastercard. Routine.
No, just because I speak Afrikaans, not Masterton.
What?
It's lastig.
Who, me?
Jelle allemaal. Why?
There
Hey,
are
hey.
Almar, everyone. Is she saying everyone?
Yeah.
I'm not Lastar. Lastar.
My one day you say transfer my one.
Is waar, je kennen.
Body leaks.
It's nice. No, I'm drinking water. Like, it really is
She must
nice.
drink water.
Yeah.
Why?
Want raak
Keep
nog 'n
drinking
bietjie
for. I'm not
tipsy
feeling, I'm
nou.
not feeling.
Ah, yeah, you see now, you can slap you. No, Kulubagangeni.
Hey,
Can't join.
Why?
I tell you.
Are you killing them, soldier?
Oh, yeah.
Angin.
When I
Angin.
buy. I buy,
Angin.
Ngai. I buy.
Angin.
I
Angin.
buy.
Angin. Wow, kaya naman umang bay.
Anje. Ako kuno kuiba na.
No, because
Na pa, ne?
nimfake before when upuma. When I what you said
Aga
upuma.
nganje bena.
Nobantu's with
Yeah,
me. What do you mean?
bengimeluzen la.
Ukulubuku,
Ukuze.
pusendlini.
Yeah, Sandy.
Yan
Guess who's
lockdown
coming
like
here,
you
boy?
on lockdown, boy.
Guess who's coming here?
Kopsong.
Who? Oh, you're not talking to me.
Justin.
What's happening?
Guess who's coming?
Who?
It's your boy. It's your boy, Zen.
Where?
Stay by
Mazaza.
me.
Where is there by you?
Calculate.
Oh, obviously.
Mr. P.
Where by you?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna come there. The Uber ya shanya there. Sorry.
You
You pay your
die, boy,
phone.
man.
The Uber ya fika, ya shanya the Uber there. Yeah.
What? These comments are
The
so
Chifule.
comments are
crazy.
crazy.
Like, you guys need to relax, brother. Like, what the hell?
Yoshi, I couldn't see
I'm
Justin.
Jalo, man.
Is it? That is crazy.
I'm playing,
You
man.
guys need. Yo,
Who you playing with?
About buzz, but I'm trying to operate this Wi-Fi stand. I make the Wi-Fi like this other thing, but
Are
I
you
forgot the
streaming? Are you gonna
password for
stream?
now. Angas,
Alright.
angas. I'll check.
Bye bye. Bye bye, Putty.
Bye bye. Who?
Putty.
yo, no, guys.
Afi.
Bye bye.
Hola, hola, CC.
You want me to Uber here, Long Island?
Yeah, please. Hey,
How
Long
many?
Island, yo, Long Island.
Long
Yeah,
Island. I
please.
told. I told her this Long Island is not good,
I
dog.
took one. No.
No, no one
Ah.
do.
She's lying. I
No,
took
but
one.
still, she's the one that
Beg,
ordered it.
beg. She
No,
also took it. Dog, who finished first?
Focus
I
on
finished
his
first.
wait,
game. Focus on
wait. Let me
his
tell you, Ness. She told me to pour some of mine into hers, so she's the reason why she's like this.
No, I took one Long
But
Island.
you said I must add mine in your cup. That's why yours is still like
Because
that.
mine was finished.
Okay, goodbye. Can I have my water? Bye bye.
Bye bye.
There's also water.
Afi. Hey,
Sharp.
hola.
Kill them,
Bye, guys.
soldier.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Yo, with Osile.
No, dog. You added the Long
But I
Island.
ate it like a
You
small one.
you're the one who said we must drink
So
Long
why are you
Island.
making me a drunkard?
Huwag ka ba señorita? No. Eh, yala sa last taki. Oh!
Yellow pa. Okay, basi nishati Nobantu singa simthathe thina. Kodwa kakhulu mina ngiyoshada nje soon.
Oh! Yeah, if you are paying money.
If you want Justin back, like ask him to go live on his account. You're dropping Piligiti next month,
Where's the thing?
but also dropping something very nice for you as a surprise. In a week's time or something, we shot something very nice. Kayla, like you just made me a drunkard like on this live. Like,
No,
but come on,
guys,
give me
I
that
don't think people, I
Insta.
don't think people are drunkards when they drink cocktails. Okay, like it's
Look
just the
at me like I
cocktails.
really do.
Even my eyes, bruh. No, me and Nobantu just love cocktails too much. We need to open a cocktail bar or something.
Because whenever we together,
Yo,
like shit goes down.
ipili bahai.
Yeah, temperature you get because
Yo,
what?
cause love. We just love cocktails, man. Like, yes.
Yo guys,
One
shumu
thing about her,
trusting they who
yes.
500. Like mina bantu bambalele shum. Abananda banam. Why life say ehlile manje? Yo
Yeah.
guys, don't really love me shum.
Yo, our eyes are red.
Oh guys,
Why?
my friend is Kayla. She's not even my friend. She
I'm
used
here
to be
live.
what?
Yes, I'm like part of your heart.
My heart is my side.
Yes, but like the other part is where I live.
Oh, that part.
Yeah.
So Kayla
Why do we
used to
look
be.
so red here? We
I
look
don't
red.
understand, but you're beautiful. That's the most important thing.
Yeah, we're doing our own makeup now.
I tried, guys, today, like Mzansi.
She tries to look cute for me.
My boyfriend said I must practice more.
Yo, just water.
Do you think Mang Bonuzo Bonus like I really tried?
Of course. I mean, I thought on a video call that they did your makeup. On a burp.
Guys, it was nice talking to you, and I spoke to my favorite people. Kuluva Nuchastini. Kayla is also here, one of my favorite people.
Boma, 10 million, 5 trillion. I'm joking.
No, that Agmelang allowance. Just take care of your hand
And
emotionally. Um, take care of your well-being. Make sure you spend time with her. Like money doesn't really mean anything. It must be a cherry on top. That's what I believe in personally. I've never been in a relationship because someone has money or whatever. If they have money, that's a cherry on top. But time, um, effort, physical touch, a little bit of gifting. But mostly, I'd prefer like spending time with the person, understanding a person, knowing a person, um, knowing what makes a person happy, what makes a person sad, taking care of your person's mental health is
just like
like
knowing,
fucking
like
important.
if something is lacking, you're gonna know that something is lacking. Maybe something that your person doesn't see,
You must
you're gonna
know.
know that they're
Yeah,
lacking,
you
and
must
they might not
know.
even know that they're lacking it, and then you will provide that, and that is more important than the money part. Trust me, guys, money is not important.
It's
Like everyone
not.
gets their money,
You say that
everyone is
because also have
working, so yeah.
also have money. Cause I work hard. I
Exactly.
don't sleep.
Yes, but it's true though. It's
Yes.
not that you don't need it, but it's like
Yeah.
you know the value of money, and it's like when you're dating, you know that
I'm not
someone doesn't
dating
have
for
to send you
money.
money or take you to like.
I'm
Yeah,
dating
it's
to be happy. I'm dating to be like. I want someone that's gonna make me feel like the only woman in the world, even though I know that I'm not.
you just when you have money, you're just comfortable. You just make yourself, and you're able to buy things for
Yes.
yourself.
Imali, it's like a cherry on top. But also, don't depend on a man to give you money. Like, what are you doing? Uhlezi ukamthile uvule inyawo ubheke phezulu. No. Because when that person that has money leaves you and goes for a better girl, because there's always someone better than you guys. There will always be someone that is better than you. What are you going to do when that person leaves?
Between being having money and being poor, Dude, I don't think anyone loves
Being
the thought of
poor.
being poor, yes. But also, money is also not the best because the more money you have, the more
The more
problems you
problems you're gonna
have.
have.
Because the more problem, like the more money you have, trust me, like a lot of people always think that like you're able to give, and like
And they
also
take advantage.
exactly. And
You
there's
know?
so many things that you need to do when you have money. Like you try to provide for everyone around you, especially when you are someone like who loves giving. Like you end up giving so many people that to a point where you're like, I need more money so I can give more
and you
people.
end
You
up
know.
like uzinyata or like having a problem with yourself if you can't give the people that you used to giving. Because guys, amalanga wafani for real.
Exactly.
Like
Yo, do you know?
sometimes panty, sometimes gupezu, like it's the seasons, right? But to sum everything up, I'm gonna go back to the fact that I don't date for money. But I'm not saying I want a man that's not even gonna do like anything for me. When I mean anything, you must take care of my, first and foremost, all I want is for my mental health to be on 100 because of guys, we go through the most,
Let me
like
just
we
say,
go through
being
everything.
in the industry makes you go through the most. Like
Like your mental health,
the
like is
industry itself is not
everything.
a good place, to be honest with you. Wait, someone said something that I wanted to say. Mahu said girls love money in a relationship.
That's
No,
her.
yes,
Your
that's her.
opinion,
But
yeah, okay, and that's how
no. I
she
think girls,
is.
yes, girls do love money, yes, because it allows you to buy stuff, or you become comfortable. Like you can buy whatever you want when you have money. I think that's the most part. It's not that girls love money, but it's just that when you
Money is
have
a want, it's
money,
not a need.
yes,
Like
like when you
Uma
have
who
money,
Magasharanjalo, guys, I, I don't blame her. You know,
yeah,
that's what she wants, preference, and I also want what I want. And ukuthi ufuna
it's
imali
fine.
right relationship, yes, it is fine. It is fine. It's not wrong. But all I'm saying is, I don't date for money. And if money, ikona, that's
It's
a
there,
fucking cherry on
yes.
top. That's like the best. It's fine.
But that's why I'm
I
saying
would
money.
love
It's nice
that.
when money is there because you're able to buy whatever. You know, it's not that you're dating because you want someone
Things
with
are
money.
more
You
simple
know,
when there's like money. You understand?
yes,
Like it's simple.
basically.
You guys can go to vacations. Guys can go out anytime, and you guys can even share the bill, or he can pay or whatever. But guys, honestly, if you guys are gonna date for money, you guys are not gonna get like a genuine man. You're gonna get a man that has money, that's gonna date girls like you that are on money and
And it's
sharing
just a
and
continuous
yeah,
cycle. Like he's just
yeah,
gonna date girls that want money all the time
yeah.
because he thinks that money is gonna buy him all the things that he
And
wants.
then uzumshele next because of your
Yo,
provided.
my brother, ish,
Where
you
is he?
can't. Hey, Mina, I want you, ish, my brother. I'm so sorry. Hey, I'm so sorry for you and your loved ones.
Because it's not possible.
It's not possible.
But anyways, guys, this live was nice. It was nice sharing something Yana with you guys. But girls, all I'm
Yeah,
gonna advise you on, date
and have your own money.
for dating. Date for the benefits of dating. Money is not a benefit of dating. Lapho ke sowulambile. Kusho ukuthi wena ufuna amadoda ukuthi azokuyenzela. No, just be an independent woman. Just see ukuthi uzatext amadoda anjani, uzatext amadoda right when you do things for yourself. Take yourself, like we took ourselves on a date. Like we just decided to
Exactly.
go out, come eat, take pictures, drink. It's on us. We don't need to call a man
Yeah,
and
because
say,
we love
baby,
cocktails.
please send me what if we send send.
Because you
And
can see that I'm on a date. But if you don't, that's fine, babe.
a man will if a man wants. Anyways, bye guys. Killing It is dropping. I'm also dropping something very nice to Lime Crazy, Visca, Real Music, Mangena. So yeah. And ebese intombazane ithi ifuna imali but iziphethe njengesitshapara cabanga. Yilapho indoda izokubulala khona ukuthi kuyenzela yonke into, waphenti, wabrazi, losi, yonke into uyakuyenzela kodwa wena wenzani? Kuyafeba. So zenzele.
I bye bye, guys.
Singing. So
I'm not.
I feel like I'm not like before I started the live.
Just
Wrong
order a
sugar.
shot.
No. When I get home, you're right.
I'm not just not gonna say I'm the bad
Yeah,
person. You.
they are gonna say it because you've been talking bad things.
I will.
Hey,
Say to my father. She doesn't even follow me, Sabang.
who? You like, guys, let me tell you
Yeah,
something.
guys.
Today when I was chewing,
No,
I
don't
think it
say
was
that.
no, it doesn't matter. They need to
Her
know.
teeth was coming out.
I ngatafuna olive, yes. Mangitafuna yes with no money. Something is off. Mangit izinga liyaphuma nalo. Mangit
You want to massage?
why sufuna umuntu. Oh, sebakthembise. Lona mnyenzini umuntu. Iyobona utaliwa. Akubela makufika.
You want
What? What? What's wrong? Me? I do tell you. Tima, my friend is drunk him. Guys, let me go to my man. The weekend special is going to be song of the year. Let me tell you something about that song. Whether that song is going to be dropped, I don't know in how many months, a hit is a hit. Nothing is going to happen to that. Like, that song is too much. What's up, Rocky? I really want to go home to my man. Like, I miss him
Let's
so
drop the
much.
live, Nobantu. Please now.
Yeah, I want to start it. Yeah. Imagine umuntu okanje afike endlini kuze kuwo umuntu wakho ngongibheka ungathathi isikhathi nesipho sami everything, yeah. No, I miss my man.